Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here I want to explain about progress to SFTP server configuration. Before I explain SFTP server configuration, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhazill bin Hassan. My metric number B0320102990. I'm from 1 BITI S1G2. This is the question, which is we must build private virtual network host only adapter. So let's go. So here, first of all, we must open the VPN, and then we must download the or install OpenSSH server, which is as you can see here, we has download the OpenSSH server. So if we have done download or install, we go to the second instruction, which is add group. So we do add group, which is test SFTP. So as you can see here, group for test SFTP already exists. And then for the third step, we must add user. So the user must be in group test SFTP. So it can rewrite the file. So as you can see here, the user admin already exists. Then we go to the fourth step, step 4, which is change owner for the root. And then we go to we make a directory for testing. As you can see here, it cannot make or cannot create directory because the file already exists. And then if we want to look the file exists or not, we can list home, then admin. So as you can see here, file already exists. Okay. So the last step for setup SFTP configuration is edit the file, which is shhd config. So as you can see here, you scroll down, then you can see subsystem, this one, this one subsystem. You before this has hashtag, but this command has before this this command have hashtag symbol, and then I delete it, and then for this also has hashtag and hashtag. So for these two command, we also delete the hashtag symbol, and then after delete it, we must write at bottom this mesh group test SFTP ch root directory, and then first command internal SFTP. After already finish write, we save it, which is Ctrl O, and then enter, and then Ctrl X to exit. After we already do it, so it already finished to set up SFTP server configuration. And then to show the SFTP server configuration progress is excellent or it can be run, so we test using WinSCP, which is file protocol SFTP, hostname 192.168.56.0.10, which is in question this one IP address, and then we go to the username, which is admin, then password. After that, log in. Yeah, as you can see, we can access the virtual Linux server. So here, and then we put the file. Okay, so we already put the file in the admin user, or in the file of admin. So we want to make sure that the file already transfer or not. So we do ls home, and then admin file, and then we press enter. So as you can see here, the file already exists. That's all from me.